The Goethals Bridge is a critical transportation link in the New York metropolitan area, connecting Staten Island, New York with Elizabeth, New Jersey across the Arthur Kill Strait. It is a facility of the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey. The bridge you see today is a modern twin cable-stayed bridge design, replacing the original cantilever truss bridge. The new eastbound span opened in 2017, and the westbound span opened in 2018. The first Goethals Bridge, which was a steel truss cantilever design, opened in 1928, the same day as the nearby Outer Bridge crossing. Name origin. It is named in memory of Major General George Washington Goethals, who supervised the construction of the Panama Canal and was the first consulting engineer for the Port Authority. The bridge operates via cashless tolling. Easy Pass is the most common method, and tolls by mail is also available. The Goethals Bridge is vital for both commuters and freight carriers. It provides a direct route between the New Jersey Turnpike and the Staten Island Expressway, connecting New Jersey to key New York destinations, including Brooklyn, via the Verrazano Narrows Bridge. Over $33 billion of regional goods are estimated to pass over the bridge each year.